coronavirus for videotaping the public?
How would we do that, sir?
We don't know what's going on.
Alright, well let me go. I didn't do anything.
First of all, you're being detained until we investigate, okay?
Do your investigation. I just got a video camera.
Okay, we're gonna investigate. Secondly, the 2 officers that are standing right here with you have already been tested. We don't have corona.
You can get it any minute, buddy.
Alright, well then keep your mask on.
I'm losing it because I can't put it back on right now. Just like George fucking Floyd, man. I'm not even
okay, but
fucking dead,
we're not going there, sir.
Yeah.
Just so you know, you're being audio and video recorded. Okay. You're sitting up, your airway is clear, you can breathe. So I don't want to hear that. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay.
My camera.
Just, you don't need to lean over, sit up so your airways.
I get coronavirus. I don't know you, Jared. What's going on?
Okay. I don't know, he was getting violent with
I was not getting violent.
No, that's a report, that's why we're investigating, okay? So you can just wait.
Do it thoroughly and honestly because I was not violent. That lady, man, oh man, you guys are going to get sued.
Okay, sir.
Bully, I heard. I don't know how many times I heard that one before.
Yep, thank you, appreciate that.
Wait till you guys lose your qualified immunity.
I'm sorry?
I said wait till you guys lose your qualified immunity. You're being videotaped and you knew it.
Hey.
Yeah, you're also being videotaped, sir.
Hey, you guys good?
Yeah, we're good, man. Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you just, I'll unlock it. Can you move my car all the way? So, sir, what's your name and date of birth?
I'm not answering any questions.
Well, actually, we're conducting an investigation.
Right to remain silent.
So, state law states you have to give me your true full name.
Right to remain silent.
All right, sir, let me tell you how this works.
Kill me, go for it.
Okay, you need to, right now you need to calm down. All right, do you understand what I'm saying to you?
No, I told you, I don't want to talk to you. I want my lawyer. Now
Okay,
leave me alone.
By state law, you still have to give me your true full name, sir. What's your true full name? Do you have ID on you?
What are you doing?
Carlos is investigating it right now.
No, I'm asking him.
I'm not answering any questions. I told him I got the right to remain silent.
Yeah.
I want my lawyer.
You also have the legal obligation to give me your true full name.
I didn't say case or whatever. I said I'm not answering questions, Amos.
What's your true full name?
I'm not answering no questions before.
Okay.
I know who you are.
That's cool, dude. But just so you know,
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'll talk to you.
state law states you have to provide me your true full name, bro. Okay? I can show it to you in my book if you want. You don't have to give me your date of birth, just your true full name.
Let's take him to the station.
What's your true full name? I got this.
Hold on, Nolan.
It's who?
It's Nolan.
I don't know, Nolan. What's your last name, Nolan?
Here, let me go.
What's your last name?
I'm not answering no questions.
Oh, what's it? Well, it's your guys'.
Nolan answers.
You guys got it? Okay. Hey.
Actually, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. What's up?
What's up?
I just gotta make sure this doesn't clamp on this thing. How many pick 'em up real fast?
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm
We're gonna make sure you don't get hurt, man.
Hold on. We need to pat you down for any weapons. You got any knives on you?
I ain't got shit.
What's this right here?
Ain't shit.
Wallet?
Where's my camera at, man?
It's in my pocket, man.
Yeah, well, keep it rolling.
That's fine. I mean, I didn't touch any buttons.
Dude, why? Why, man?
I got mine rolling right here.
Go! Hey, you want to talk to me real quick? Yeah, hold on. That's it, Nolan. Secure him in the back of your...
You got him?
Nolan, any money? Whoa, no, any money in here? No money?
Okay. Where you guys want this stuff? I don't know.
Put it. We need to put it all in a little bag. You got a little evidence bag or something? Hold on, bro. Hold on.